Finding suppliers for Amazon FBA involves sourcing products that you can sell on Amazon. Here's a step-by-step guide. Research your niche. Identify a product niche or category you're interested in selling. Analyze market trends, customer demands, and competition on Amazon to select a viable niche. Use online directories. Utilize online directories and databases like Alibaba, Global Sources, and Thomasnet to find manufacturers and wholesalers. These platforms allow you to search by product category and connect with suppliers. Attend trade shows. Visit industry trade shows or exhibitions relevant to your product niche. Trade shows are excellent for networking with suppliers and seeing products firsthand. Search on B2B marketplaces. Explore B2B marketplaces like Alibaba, MadeInChina.com, and DHgate. These platforms connect you with manufacturers and wholesalers, offering various product options. Contact manufacturers directly. Reach out to manufacturers listed on their websites or through industry associations. Building a direct relationship can sometimes offer better pricing and terms. Verify suppliers. Check supplier reviews, request samples, and verify their credentials. Ensure they have a good track record and can meet your quality and quantity requirements. Negotiate terms. Discuss pricing, minimum order quantities, shipping terms, and payment conditions with potential suppliers. Negotiate terms to ensure favorable conditions for your business. Test products. Before committing to a large order, test the products to ensure they meet your standards and market expectations.